Hello all, let us talk about the CH32V003 evaluation board. So for this evaluation board, the power is provided through the USB Type-C connector which is present here, and the power comes through the power switch. So you can turn off and turn on the power even though you plug in the USB. You can control the power through this, and this power flows to the regulator. So the 5 volts that is coming from the USB is connected to a regulator which provides the 3.3 volts to the central controller. Here you can see this is the main controller, CH32V003. So now this controller, we know that it works on both 3.3 volt as well as 5 volts. So there is an option here to bypass the regulator 5 to 3.3 by 0 ohms. So U1 regulator can be bypassed if you want to operate your microcontroller at 5 volts. And then the pins of this CS32V003 are pulled to the breakout headers here. These are called the breakout headers. Basically these are the bug sticks that are mounted on the board, and all the GPIOs of this particular controller are pulled to these connectors. And this controller is given an external is given a clock by using external crystal which is 24 megahertz. So you can see this is the crystal, okay, and then this is, as we said, this is the main controller. And this board also has 2 LEDs here. If you go here, you can see LED 1 and LED 2. These are towards this side, and these LEDs are connected through resistor to the GPIO pins, and the other end of the LEDs are provided to this jumper, 2-pin jumper. So if you want to just turn on the LED, you can control externally as well. And we have to use the external programmer to program this particular CS32V003 using pins on this breakout header. We'll talk about that in the next video. So this board also has one more switch. This is the reset switch here. So this reset switch is used basically to do a reset of the microcontroller if you want to perform or if you want to execute from the beginning. So there is a reset pin. So if you see overall features of this particular board, it's a very simple board, and it only has single side placement. It doesn't have double side placement, and this board has a combination of through hole as well as SMD components. That means 2-side assembly is required for this board, and a very simple board. And all the pins that are there on the microcontroller, we mean the GPIO pins, are extended out so that we can use the functionality as required. So in the next videos, we will talk about powering up the board, programming the board, and using the different features of the board. Thank you.